guys, welcome to day one, our first full day in Mallorca. So we are, what are we doing first?
Breakfast.
Standard, waiting for breakfast. Once we've had breakfast, we're going to walk into South Megaloo. Don't judge me. We are going to do a bit of shopping, have a look around, see the sights, pop over to Palmanova as well. So we're going to walk all of that today, and hopefully not use any public transport, taxis, anything like that. And then we'll come back here tonight. Yeah, eating here tonight. So yeah, no tools. TUI wraps here. Yeah, really good. You get an app, you can download an app, you can chat to them if you've got any problems, reception staff. TUI staff here have been great, obviously. Seems really nice. Recommending tours and this and that and everything else, but we've only been doing the one thing because it takes so much into one day, didn't it, that it was cheaper for us to do the tour than what it was to actually try and venture out that far on our own and cover quite a few bases.
And we are only here for a week.
We are only here for a week as well. So yeah, join us for today. Nitpicks, reception staff yesterday, lovely guy, it was busy, but he didn't tell us that with our little wristbands that he's given us that we're VIPs. Oh yeah. So we actually get a special floor upstairs. You would have seen it yesterday. So it's on floor 5? Floor 5. It is VIP area, it's got its own bar, it's got its own lounges, it's got its own little plunge pool up there as well. But we didn't know that that was special. Yeah, we're very thankful that it's included. We did pay extra to have a higher floor room, but we didn't know that with the higher floor room, we got cast as VIPs and got given other stuff as well. There's another VIP bar upstairs as well.
That wasn't open, was it?
It wasn't open. So we're going to try and find out a little bit more today. So yeah, we will see what we get up to, and the sun's just rising in front of us, so I keep glancing that way, it's just because it's really pretty. Alright guys, so Plata de Son Matis, Santa Lucia, San Mateus. Beautiful morning, October, who knew? So yeah, just going to keep walking on now. I think we're just going to go all the way around to the little harbour on the other side, little marina on the other side of Palmanova. Not going to walk to Portals today. But yeah, beautiful day. Let's go and see what else we can find. That's a hotel we do recommend, Santa Lucia, Palmanova. I stayed here once, and it was a sole beach house. I know it's changed loads now and had loads of work done, and different companies have bought it out. Besso Beach. So if you have stayed here, just give us a shout out in the comments. Let us know, because I'd like to see it again. It was really nice. Had a spiral staircase indoors and all that. So really nice place. And I used to like the little restaurant just over here as well. So yeah, let us know if you stayed here. I'd like to see it. Like to know what your thoughts are. Hi guys, so quite a central point in Palmanova. It's little round buildings around here. You've got the bus stops that go in both directions, so it's quite a popular stop. So if you ever get separated stuff, it's quite a good place to come back and meet up. At the end of the bay, we'll start heading back now. A bit of shopping. Let's just remember on the prices for taxis that it's non-negotiable. So the price is the price. They can't charge you more, you can't haggle less. Here's what it is, always check when you're getting in. Sleep well, kids. Horrifying. Shout out to Banana Joe's. We love Banana Joe's. Get me to the buffet and get me a beer. Hi guys, so yeah, that was day one. So walking to Palmanova and Magaluf, 20,000 steps in flip-flops, stupid. But yeah, really nice. Bought a few little bits, standard. So hopefully that just helps you decide whether or not you want to pop over there and pick up a few bits or not. And yeah, it was alright, wasn't it? You can get buses and taxis. I think the taxi over there was only like 10-15 euro from here. The bus at 105 stops outside. So yeah, it's nice and easy, but we decided just to march on in the heat. So yeah,